Hey everyone, welcome to HillBro RC again. And today we're doing an unboxing video. Today we've got the new ECX buggy, the Roost, 1/18 scale truck. I know these things have been out, at least the ECXs have been out for a couple years, but over time they've come and released different styles. They've had the Torment, the little trophy truck. They've had the monster truck. They've had rock crawlers. This is the latest one that they've released called the Roost. It is kind of a buggy style. Roost is actually about $25, $30 more, but what you're paying for is, let's see, is he stuck in there? He is. We're gonna have to grab some side cutters and cut him out. Let's just pull him out right now. Nice. Anyways, what you're getting with the extra money is actually the cage. Instead of just a plastic shell like the Torment and the other ones come with, this comes with a cage and a light bar. That is cool. Okay, I got some side cutters here. We're gonna start clipping these things and pulling them out. You got your basic radio here. Some parts, this must be your charger. Yep, basic charger here. Pull it out. Okay, let's pull this little guy out. Boom. There he is. Boom. That thing is cute. So, not only are they extremely affordable, but also, as I looked into these little trucks, I was informed that these trucks you can adjust your speed performances. So like you have the regular basic radio here, but right here you have a switch that can turn to 50% power, 75% power, and 100% power. And then you can also adjust your throttle and your steering throw. So your steering, you can adjust it this much or this much, and same with your throttle. And the reason why I liked that feature is because in the shop, we manufacture parts for side-by-sides and snowmobiles. And in the busy season, I don't get to see my family very often. The only time I really ever get to see them is during my lunch break, where my wife will bring me lunch and she'll bring my kids, and we'll clear a spot here on the floor and we'll just have a blast running RC cars. And we have a few TRX4 rock crawlers. We have an assortment of RC cars, but I have a 3-year-old daughter that she's really small, and she can't grip anything, nor is she skilled enough to control these RC cars. And so when I had seen the adjustment features on this, I thought this is going to be perfect for my daughter Millie to learn how to ride RC cars, because you can turn down the throttle adjustment, and this remote here is actually small enough to fit her hands. Comparing to a really basic controller, a Traxxas one, for example, it's really basic but really comfortable for an adult. But when you're dealing with a 3-year-old, 4-year-old little girl, she actually can't get her hand around and her finger into the throttle to control it. She's not able to. But this remote, not only with all the features of throttle and steering, she can actually get her hands around this remote and control the throttle. And so for me, I thought this is perfect. We can get a couple of these. My daughter can ride it, my son can drive it, I can drive it, and just have a total blast with them. And not only that, you have an assortment of a trophy truck, a buggy, a monster truck, a rock crawler. I think these things for the price are just awesome. So let's look a little closer into this thing and look at the Roost compared to the Torment. So let's see if we can't get this guy off. Just a couple pins here. You take off the spoiler wing and then the cage. Oh, come on. And this guy, there he comes. Oh, don't forget this little plug for the light bar. There's a little wire plug you've got to unplug before you take the cage off. There we go. And let's take the Torment off. There we go. So essentially, they're the same platform. They run the same tires, they run the same motor, the same batteries. The only difference between the models is cage style, body style, bumpers. So it's my understanding that these things are all geared the same. All you have to do is, if you want a monster truck, all you have to do is just change out the tires and the bumpers and you got yourself a monster truck. Getting a little closer on this, as basic as you can get, but yet all good quality components, like for example, your oil-filled shocks, 4-wheel drive, your on-off switch right here. The other thing is the battery access for these things is on the bottom. All you need is a quarter or a key to turn this little lock, and you gain access to the battery hatch. So just like the newer, bigger trucks, like the, oh, what's it called? The Super Rock Ray. The battery and electronic accesses are on the bottom. Hold on. Drop it. Pop. There it is. Oh, and the battery is in there already. Look at that. This is your basic nickel metal hydride battery. You can run LiPo batteries on these cars, but they do not have electronic speed controllers or ESCs. And so if you do run LiPo batteries, you just have to time yourself on 20 minutes, no more, because it does not measure your amperage and stuff. It will not shut down by itself. And so you don't want to start a LiPo battery fire. So you can run LiPos on these things, and I'm sure you get, you know, good power. Again, you run the risk of you've got to time it yourself. So very cool. There's one thing though that I kind of noticed as we were running these is this charger. It does come with the charger ready to run and everything, but it is as basic of a charger as it comes. It doesn't even tell you when it's charged or anything. It's pretty much, you plug it in and you wait forever and hope it charges. So you may want to invest in a better charger, one that's faster and one that's more informative, but all in all, I can't complain. Well, thank you guys for watching HillBro RC. I hope you guys had much fun watching and learning about these vehicles as much as we did. Stay tuned. We're going to be making more videos, just more fun adventure videos on these vehicles. And also, if you would like to see these, you've probably seen a couple of these real machines in the background, the Textron XX and the Yamaha YXZ. If you want to see those run, check out our other channel at HillBro. And remember, you guys, it's out there, so go claim it.